Good morning, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating area of artificial intelligence, expert systems. In an era where technological advancements are constantly reshaping our world, understanding systems that mimic human intelligence is crucial. Expert systems represent a significant milestone in AI's journey, designed to replicate the decision-making ability of a human expert. They're built to tackle complex problems by tapping into specialized knowledge, offering solutions and insights that would typically require extensive human experience. Think of them as intelligent advisors, available on demand, helping us navigate intricate domains. This deep dive will explore their inner workings, applications, and enduring relevance.
So, what exactly defines an expert system? At its heart, it's a computer program engineered to simulate the judgment and behavior of a human or an organization possessing expert knowledge and experience in a particular domain. Unlike general-purpose AI, an expert system is highly specialized, focusing on a narrow field like medical diagnosis, financial analysis, or engineering design. Its power lies in its ability to process information and make decisions much like a human expert would, utilizing a carefully constructed knowledge base and an inference engine to reason through problems. This specialized approach allows them to offer precise and informed guidance. Let's break down the essential components that make an expert system function. First up is the knowledge base. Imagine this as the system's brain, packed with all the wisdom and information gathered from human experts. It's a structured repository containing facts about the specific domain, rules that define relationships and conditions, and heuristics, which are expert-derived rules of thumb that guide problem-solving when definitive rules aren't available. This knowledge is painstakingly extracted and encoded, making it the bedrock upon which the entire system operates, providing the necessary data for logical reasoning. Next, we have the inference engine, arguably the intelligence of the expert system. If the knowledge base holds the information, the inference engine is the mechanism that applies that information. It's the reasoning component, designed to interpret the rules and facts in the knowledge base to derive conclusions and make decisions. It typically employs strategies like forward chaining, where it starts with known facts and works towards conclusions, or backward chaining, where it starts with a potential conclusion and seeks evidence to support it. This engine is crucial for processing queries and delivering informed responses. Beyond the core knowledge and reasoning, two other components are vital for an expert system's usability and trust: the user interface and the explanation facility. The user interface is the bridge between the human user and the system, allowing for input of problems or queries and displaying the system's output. It needs to be intuitive and user-friendly. The explanation facility is a unique and powerful feature that allows the system to justify its reasoning. When an expert system provides a recommendation, it can explain how it arrived at that conclusion, detailing the rules and facts it used. This transparency is critical for building user trust and for verifying the system's logic. Let's visualize the typical workflow of an expert system from a user's perspective. It begins with the user inputting a problem or query into the system via the user interface. This input is then fed to the inference engine. The inference engine diligently processes this information, consulting the vast knowledge base for relevant facts, rules, and heuristics. Based on its reasoning, it then derives a solution or recommendation to the user's problem. Crucially, if the user requires, the explanation facility can then step in to articulate the step-by-step logic and supporting evidence behind that derived solution, completing the cycle with transparency and clarity. Expert systems, despite their foundational role, have had significant real-world impact across diverse industries. In medicine, systems like MYCIN were pioneers, assisting in medical diagnosis of blood infections. In finance, they've been used for financial forecasting, fraud detection, and investment advice. Manufacturing benefits from industrial process control and troubleshooting complex machinery. Perhaps one of the most famous examples is R1XCon, developed for Digital Equipment Corporation, which configured complex computer systems, drastically improving efficiency in configuration. These examples highlight their ability to bring specialized knowledge to bear on critical operational challenges. Expert systems offer several compelling advantages.
Firstly, they ensure consistency in decision-making, eliminating human biases or fatigue, providing the same high-quality advice repeatedly. They also preserves rare expertise, allowing invaluable knowledge from retiring or unavailable experts to be captured and disseminated. Operating around the clock, they are accessible 24/7, providing guidance whenever needed, regardless of time zones or human availability. Lastly, they offer faster processing than humans for complex calculations and rule-based deductions, significantly speeding up problem-solving and operational efficiency in many domains.
Despite their strengths, expert systems come with their share of limitations. A major challenge is the knowledge acquisition bottleneck, the painstaking and time-consuming process of extracting, formalizing, and encoding expert knowledge. They also suffer from a lack of common sense reasoning. They can only operate within their defined knowledge domain and struggle with novel or unexpected situations outside their rules. This can lead to brittleness with unforeseen situations. Furthermore, maintaining and updating large knowledge bases can incur high maintenance costs as domains evolve, requiring continuous effort to keep them relevant and accurate. While the term expert system might sound like a concept from AI's past, its principles are far from obsolete. They formed the foundation for modern AI, e.g., rule-based systems, and laid the groundwork for many intelligent systems we use today. Today, their concepts are often integrated with machine learning and other AI techniques, creating hybrid systems that combine symbolic reasoning with statistical learning. Although general AI remains a distant goal, specialized problem solvers endure, proving their worth in specific, well-defined domains. The core idea of capturing and applying human-like expertise continues to hold continuing relevance in specific domains, ensuring that expert systems, in various forms, will remain a valuable tool in our technological arsenal.